Hi, I'm Tim Wallis from Law 365, but you might know me from other companies such as Content and Code or Content in Cloud. But now I'm here, Chief Vision Officer, driving Law 365 to be the best law partner for Microsoft partners in the UK. So what am I trying to do? Well, what I'm trying to do is impart my vision, and we've been building this together for a while with my wife and partner in crime, Kim Simmons. And we've looked at all the ways, all the frustrations I had as I built Content in Code and then Content in Cloud, the frustrations we had with employment law, the frustrations we had with commercial law, corporate law, and even things like how we got our top teams working together. So today, I'm going to talk to you about just some of the frustrations I had in the early years. Back in about 2004, 2003, we were running and we were growing as a Microsoft partner. But then what was happening is we were finding our contracts that we just sort of borrowed from previous places of employment weren't actually fit for purpose anymore. Our contracts were substandard, they didn't make sense. So I went to see a lawyer and I said, here's my problem. I need a set of contract templates. I can't afford to have you negotiate them all. So can you give me contract templates that I can then use and I can negotiate? Now, unfortunately, this lawyer didn't actually explain what caveat emptor meant. What that actually means is buyer beware. I didn't know what I was buying. I just paid almost £9,000 with a bit of haggling down to £6,000 for a set of legal templates. But when I came to use these legal templates, I was very, very frustrated because I had overlapping definitions. For example, a definition of hosting in one might be called definition called private hosting in another contract. Definition of support in one contract might be called managed services in another contract. And this was really frustrating for me. It made negotiations long and hard and tiresome. They also had contradicting clauses. So when I was trying to sell a project, then with some support afterwards, I had to give the customer 2 contracts, or if I sold some IP as well, even 3 contracts. And they didn't all gel and work together. It was really hard work. So after a while, I got very frustrated and we had to pay to get all these contracts rewritten in a much more cohesive way that cost us more than £10,000. So what we've done at Law 365 is we've solved that problem for small Microsoft partners and startup Microsoft partners, because we know how frustrating it is when all you want is to get a deal closed, get it signed quickly and get it over the line and start delivering some fantastic work. What we've done if we've created a cohesive set of contract templates, whether you're selling IP, whether you're selling software, whether you're selling hardware, project consulting services, if you're selling support or managed services, these templates all work together in unison and they're very easy to negotiate and work with a customer on. But best of all, they're specifically designed for Microsoft partners. The Microsoft partner terms that are in there, for example, deal with things like NCE, the new commerce experience, partner admin link, deployment partner of record, CPOR, claiming partner of record, and all of the terms that you need as a Microsoft partner. It's really vital you get these because loads of Microsoft partners are missing out on the recognition from Microsoft that they're actually delivering these projects, but even more importantly, on the rebates. Rebates are worth, say, £5,000, £10,000. At CNC, we had it in the multiple 6 figures in terms of the rebates we were getting because we had our contracts that structured the right way with the right terms in it. For example, even things like proof of execution, making sure that if you've got some funding from Microsoft, the customer is required to do a proof of execution so you can claim that money from Microsoft. These are really simple things, but you'll be really glad you had them in your contracts when you need them. Now, the other thing, when I was a startup, was that these contracts cost me a lot of money and I could barely afford it, okay? So we've looked at this and coming soon, we'll be releasing these contract templates on a subscription basis. So what does that mean? Rather than a big, large one-off cost, effectively you get these templates for a small, affordable monthly fee. Now this monthly fee is even better because you don't just get the templates. We're calling these templates forever templates. So those forever templates, what they do is we keep them updated. So for example, just recently, Microsoft has announced the changes to CSP to the new commerce experience. We've already updated our templates and we'll keep changing that. Microsoft will keep changing their terms and conditions each year. We will keep the templates up to date. Brexit's happening. There's already been changes to the legal terms that were required because of Brexit. We're constantly updating the templates for that, and we'll keep doing the same thing for all these templates. So you can rest assured that you always have the latest templates. You pay a small monthly fee, and if ever you need a lawyer to help you, we're there to help you. Problem solved. If you want to get early access to it, please feel free to contact me. It's tim@law365.co.